In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Google Workspace 2025, step by step. Connecting Asana to your Google Workspace takes just a couple of minutes, and it streamlines your day by bringing tasks right where you work. You'll be doing two things: finding Asana in the Google Workspace Marketplace and installing it with the proper permissions. I'll walk you through exactly what to click and what to expect on the way. First, head to the Google Workspace Marketplace. The easiest way is to search for Google Workspace Marketplace in your browser, then open the official Marketplace site. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top and type Asana. Look for the official Asana listing from the verified publisher. You'll usually see the familiar Asana logo and a clear description indicating it works with Google apps like Gmail and Calendar. Take a quick moment to confirm you're signed into the correct Google account in the top right corner, especially if you juggle work and personal profiles. This ensures the add-on installs to the right place. When you found the Asana page, click Install. A pop-up will guide you through the permissions process. This is normal and necessary so Asana can integrate with your Google services securely. You may be asked to choose your Google account, then review a list of requested permissions. Read them carefully so you know exactly what access you're granting, such as the ability to view emails or manage tasks connected to your Google apps. If your organization manages your account, you might see a notice that admin approval is needed. In that case, use the built-in option to request access or contact your admin and let them know you're trying to install the Asana add-on from the marketplace. After you confirm, the installation completes and you'll see a success message. That's it. Asana is now connected to your Google Workspace. In many cases, you'll find the Asana add-on available in supported Google apps, like the side panel in Gmail and Calendar. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing the page or relaunching your browser. And remember, you can always return to the Marketplace page later to manage or uninstall the add-on if you change your mind. With this connection in place, you've laid the groundwork for a smoother workflow, letting you reference and act on tasks without switching tabs. Thanks for following along, and you're all set with the Asana integration in Google Workspace.